Welcome back, everyone. Let's dive right in and tackle some essential MCQs that often appear in NTS exams for electrical positions. So, grab your notes and let's get started on this electrifying journey. First question is, the main criterion for selection of the size of power distribution using a radial distribution system is A. Voltage drop, B. Corona loss, C. Temperature rise,
D. Capital cost.
The correct answer is voltage drop. Excessive voltage drop can lead to inefficient power transmission, reduced voltage levels at the load, and potential operational issues. That's why it is the main consideration. The second question is, the negative maximum of cosine wave occurs at A. 270 degrees, B. 180 degrees, C. 90 degrees.
D. 0 degré.
The correct answer is option B, which is 180 degree. As you can see from the picture, negative maximum of cosine occurs at pi, called 180 degrees, while negative maximum of sine occurs at 270 degrees. Moving on to the third question, which of the following relays is used on transformers? A. MHO relay, B. MERS price relay, C. Buchholz's relay, D. None. The correct answer is Buchholz's relay. The Buchholz relay is a gas-actuated relay and protects the transformer from internal faults. It is placed between the main tank and the conservator of the transformer having the rating higher than 500 kVA. Next question is, if we have 2 points A and B on node and the voltage is represented by VAB, then is taken as reference A. Node A, B. Node B, C. Origin point, D. Both. The correct answer is option A, which is node A. VAB is the potential of node B with respect to node A, so node A is taken as the reference. What is the percentage of symmetrical faults in power system? A. 5%, B. 10%, C. 15%,
D. 20%.
The correct answer is option A, which is 5%. A symmetrical fault is a fault where all three phases are affected so that the system remains balanced. A three-phase fault is a symmetrical fault. The probability of occurrence of them is quite low. The product of VRMS and IRMS is called A. Apparent power, B. Real power, C. Virtual power, D. Reactive power. The correct answer is apparent power. Active power is measured in watts or kilowatts. Reactive power is measured in VAR or kilo VAR. Apparent power is measured in volt-amperes, VA, or kVA. Power triangle is shown in picture. A digital signal is A. Discrete in amplitude, B. Discrete in time, C. Discrete in neither time nor amplitude, D. Discrete in both amplitude and time. The correct answer is option D. A digital signal is a signal that represents data as a sequence of discrete values. A digital signal can only take on one value from a finite set of possible values at a given time. A diode that has a negative resistance characteristics is the A. Schottky diode, B. Zener diode, C. Tunnel diode,
D. Laser diode.
The correct answer is option C, which is tunnel diode. A tunnel diode exhibits negative resistance characteristics because this diode is construed with heavily doped P and N regions. As a result, there is no breakdown effect for reverse voltage and in extremely narrow regions. The EM field and current are concentrated close to the surface of the conductor. The phenomenon is called A. Skin effect,
B. Inconcentration effect,
C. Faraday effect, D. Ohm's effect. The correct answer is skin effect. Skin effect is defined as the tendency of an AC current to distribute unevenly over the cross-section of a conductor, such that the current density is highest near the surface of the skin of the conductor and decreases exponentially towards the core. Last question of our video is, which of the following is not bilateral? A. Resistor, B. Diode, C. Capacitor,
D. Inductor.
The correct answer is option B, which is diode. Diode conducts only in one direction when it is forward biased and blocks the flow when it is reverse biased. And that's a wrap on our review of NTS past papers questions. Good luck with your preparations, and I'll see you in the next video with some more questions.